What's going on YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome to the vlog. Today is July 24th. It is currently 10:12 a.m. I'm currently uploading some new course videos right now. But I just remembered that I have to make a pickup. So I got a guy that has an iPhone X, Verizon unlocked 64 gigs. I've bought a phone from him before, so like last week I paid $620. This time I'm gonna pay $620 again. I made some pretty good profit on the last one, so I'm gonna do that. I got another guy that I have to meet for a iPhone 7 Plus. Has a cracked screen, Verizon. I'm paying $140 for it, so should make some good money on that as well. This morning, again, just been doing this on the computer. Just, didn't want to vlog that, but I got to go to the post office after that. I got to do a bunch of stuff. Kind of behind, but I'll get it done. I got to print off these labels real quick, package these phones before I leave, and I'm going to head to Starbucks. So Starbucks is about 10 minutes away from my house, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you guys the phone that I pick up, let you guys know if everything went well, if there were any issues, and then I'm going to see you guys in the next clip.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So it is currently 12:19 p.m. I'm still in the Starbucks parking lot. I just picked up this iPhone X, Verizon unlocked. Everything works. There are no cracks or nothing. This is actually the third phone that I bought from this guy. He actually works at Verizon, so he sold me his mom's phone. This is his mom's phone, but they're moving to AT&T, and he had to get everything switched over. So he sold me an iPhone X last week and an iPhone X with a cracked screen last week, and then he just sold me his last one now. So I picked this up for $620. Probably gonna sell it locally, or I might put it on Swapper, all depending on what the sold listings say and all that. But my first initial idea was to sell it locally. I probably can get like $750 for it locally. I have a box, and I have brand new accessories that I'm going to add to that as well. So hopefully that'll up the price. I do want to go over something really quick. Something that kind of happened as I was waiting. I made my my ads this morning, and one of the groups, a guy commented on my post. Did not have a phone. He was just out, just being negative. Told me hey, maybe you should get a real job. And when people say that, I get these a lot. People say these kind of things, these comments a lot, and I try my best to just keep it polite. I asked him, hey, do you have a phone to sell? I just ignore what he said. Hey, do you have a phone to sell? And then it just keeps going on and on, like, no, you're taking advantage of people by buying their phones for cheaper than what you can resell them for. And just making a big scene about nothing, just like not making sense at all. But I do want to touch bases on that and go over why, or how can people even think what they're saying is right or correct. It's just like people come to me when they need cash. It's an easy transaction. They don't have to deal with low people who not showing up, or just people who just lowball the crap out of them. My offers, in my opinion, are pretty reasonable for the most part. And for me, when I buy a phone, a lot of times it's like I get a thank you, this really helped. It's times where people are in bad shape financially, and selling that phone, me giving them cash, obviously I'm going to benefit from it, but they're benefiting from it too. I'm not putting a gun to their head saying, hey, sell me your iPhone X for $500. And just that mentality that guy has, he's not the only one. He's not the only one that thinks reselling is bad. it makes no sense. You know, you wake up in the morning, you drink your Starbucks coffee. That coffee that you bought, somebody made a profit off of that. You know, Starbucks made a profit. You know, you went to Krispy Kreme donut, you bought a donut before you went to work. Krispy Kreme made money off of you. You go to Walmart, anything you buy at Walmart, somebody's making money. Nobody's going to put anything on the market, a business, you know, this is a business I'm talking about, put anything on the market if they're not making money from it. You know, you're not going to buy things for $200 and put it on the market for $100 just because you want to be nice. You know, you're not going to make any money. You're going to be out of business quick. You know, but just the fact that people think that way, you know, it frustrates me because just because I felt like disrespected that he even said that. He don't really know what I'm doing. He don't know how much money I'm actually making. So I didn't even go into that, but just the fact that, you know, I'm paying taxes. You know, I have everything. My business is legal. Everything is legal on my business. Everything's on paper. So the fact that he told me to get a real job was like, come on, man. So, but basically, what I had told him, you know, I didn't get into detail too much, but I was just like, look, man, I enjoy my freedom. I don't want to wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning, having to work for a boss that does not care about me one bit. He can replace me with another guy whenever he feels like it. You know, I just basically went over the disadvantages of having a 9-to-5 job. You know, I mean, I'm not saying it's a bad thing, but I'm pretty sure if those who had the option to choose a 9-to-5 over a job where they can just do whatever they please, make their own money whenever they feel like it, just having the freedom, you know. But this guy was ignorant, and he just didn't understand that. So I just wanted to go over that, man. It just kind of, it's weird because people actually think that. You know, this is a grown man. He probably was like in his 40s, based off his Facebook profile. He looked like he was in his 40s. But someone to think that, like, you know, people are making money on each other every single day. You know, you buy gas, someone's making money. You know, just to have that mentality that what I'm doing or what resellers do is bad. That I'm taking advantage of the next person. You know, again, I'm not forcing anyone to sell me their phones. I put the ad in front of them. They see it. They're interested in it. They tell me what they got. I offer them a price. They have two options, yes or no. You know, and if they say yeah, then that's good. You know, it's good for me. And at the end of the day, it's good for them too, because a lot of times they're in a bad position to where they can't pay their bills if they don't sell that phone. So I'm there to help. You know, it's a service. Again, so I'm about to head back home. I haven't ate at all. I haven't ate no food. You know, I'm supposed to meet somebody in about 30 minutes. This lady, she kind of messed me up because she has an iPhone 8 for Sprint. Betty is saying an iPhone, a Samsung S8. She told me it was an S9. And I was like, okay, I'll give you $400 for both of them. She was all for that. And then she goes, hey, sorry about the misunderstanding. It's actually an S8. And S8s don't go for much on eBay. I don't know what I don't know what I'm gonna do with that one. But I offered a $370. I can get $310 for it. $310 for the iPhone 8. So that's already good. I know I can make more than $70 on the S8. So I'm gonna check the phones out. Hopefully everything is all good. Usually when those happen, when people say, hey, it's this, they don't really know much about the item. It could be locked, you never know. But I'm gonna meet her somewhere close, so I'm not wasting no time. But again, I'm gonna head home, probably eat some food, and then I'm gonna get back with you guys in the next clip. All right, guys, so I'm back home. Thank you. It is hot outside. Ended up picking up 3 phones just right now. I was in a rush, so I could not record before,
but I ended up picking up 3. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So I picked up a iPhone 7 Plus. You guys can see it has a cracked screen on it. Everything works. Even the front camera works with this. You guys can see the crack is pretty bad. But I picked it up for $140. I know I can get like $250 for it. So that was a good pickup. Then I picked up a 2 phones from the same lady. So I ended up picking up this S8, the one I was telling you guys about. Everything works on this. And then I ended up picking up an iPhone 8 for Sprint. So all these are Sprint phones. All have bad ESNs. So I picked these 2 up for $370, for both $370. And then I picked up this 7 Plus for $140. So I have an 8 again. You know, I just been on the move this morning. It's been kind of hectic. I'm going to take some time to eat, relax a little bit. I'm not even going to list these right now. I'm just going to wait a little bit until I actually feel like listing it, just because, you know, when you're running around the heat for a long time, you get tired. So I'm going to just hang out for a bit, and then I'm going to see you guys in the next clip.
All right, guys, so it is currently 2:44 p.m. I'm about to head to the post office. I got to drop off these 2 packages. One is an iPhone 8, brand new, and one is a iPhone X. One sold on eBay, one sold on Swapper, but I got to go there. I was supposed to go there earlier. Just got caught up with a bunch of stuff. Just leads, meeting people, all, you know, the normal of what happens when you are flipping phones full time. But at the end of the day, it's going to pay off. So I got to do that, and then I got to head to the bank to fill up the bag. So I got to go to Chase. I need some more cash out because I don't have much left to spend on phones as of now. So I have to go withdraw some money. And we'll see what goes on after I do all that. So hopefully I can pick up a couple more phones for you guys. Leave the day off on a good note. But I'll definitely be talking with you guys a little bit later. So I'll see you guys in the next clip.
What's going on, guys? So it is currently 7:10 p.m. About to wrap up this vlog, but I want to give you guys a little recap. So as you guys can see, I ended up buying 4 phones today. iPhone X, iPhone 8, iPhone 7 Plus, and a Galaxy S8. The S8, the iPhone 8, and the 7 Plus were all Sprint, bad ESN, and the iPhone X was Verizon unlocked. So I ended up paying $370 for the iPhone 8 and the S8. I ended up paying $140 for the cracked 7 Plus, and I ended up paying $620 for the iPhone X, Verizon unlocked. So, you know, not a bad day. In the beginning, it was pretty hectic, and then kind of fizzled out at the end. I haven't, you know, I got 2 leads within the past, you know, hour. I haven't replied back to this lady yet. She has an iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, both Sprint bad ESN. I have to run the comps on that, but I'm probably about to hit the gym really quick. Hopefully I'll have enough time to meet her because Starbucks closes at 9. So hopefully I can make a deal with her, do my workout, and then meet her right after the workout. So I'm going to do that, but then I'm going to end this vlog right now. You know, if you guys are enjoying these types of vlogs, let me know. If you guys want to see more of what I'm actually doing throughout the day, whether it's phone pickups or just whatever I'm doing, let me know in the comments. You are new to my channel, please subscribe. Check out the course in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video.